All right, as it gets closer, I don't know if you guys can see, but it starts to blink. And that is the timer is up. And then you go ahead, you can set it up like this and you can customize it, or quick access, just swap it over. And start the timer again. Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we're showing you tick time. This is a timer for all occasions. Give you a little manual. Now this is a unique timer unlike you've ever seen before. This timer is great for exercise, for games, studying, and so much more. So check this out. So you have seconds, minutes, plus, minus there. And as you can see, it's numbered all around. On the bottom, you guys can see it is powered right here. So you can charge that. They do provide you with the charging cable inside for charging. All right, make sure you refer to your manual, but to quick set this, all you have to do to turn it on is press one of the buttons here and it will turn on. And then for quick setting, we're gonna turn the lights off for you guys to see, but all you have to do is move it over and you got these quick timers. So 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 25 minutes, you got 15, 3, 5, 10, 30, 25, 15. So as you set it like that, now you can go ahead and rotate it over here and it's going to be a little hard to see, but the timer then starts, and once it's down, it's going to sound. Now you can customize and set your own timer as well, so make sure you check out your manual for that. But we're going to go ahead and show you what it sounds like when the timer is up. A lot of settings that you can do, a lot of different features. Please make sure you check out and refer to your manual. But it's really nice and it's a unique and really custom design. All right, as it gets closer, I don't know if you guys can see, but it starts to blink. And that is the timer is up. And then you go ahead, you can set it up like this and you can customize it, or quick access, just swap it over. And start the timer again. Now you can also go ahead and lift it up to pause it. You can also lift it like that and the timer. So a lot of things. Check out your manual, guys.